now here to perform the 12 striking of ice. So what are you waiting for? Come and join me. Let's check it out. Enjoy! The 12 striking techniques in ice. Left temple strike. A diagonal downward forehand swing to the left temple. From that position, the warrior will hold the stick with one hand at 1 o'clock, moving his stick in slashing motion, while his free hand on his chest. The right temple strike. A diagonal downward backhand swing striking to the right temple. Assuming a fighter stance like the left temple strike. The warrior this time will hold his stick at 11 o'clock with his free hand keep on his chest. The left shoulder strike. The third striking technique allows the practitioner to extend his weapon hand, making it easier for him to strike any part of the opponent between its shoulder and its hips. The stick will be thrown in a diagonal forehand slashing swing, making it easier to deliver a damage. The right shoulder strike. Same as the third strike, but this time the practitioner will extend the weapon hand to strike any part of the body between the shoulder and hips in backhand slashing swing located on the right side. The stomach chest. In this strike, the practitioner will thrust the weapon hand to the stomach and is followed by an upward motion that will cut through his opponent's body. The left shoulder thrust. In this strike, the weapon hand is extended to the front with the palm facing outward and the elbow kept up, where this strike can cause damage to the rib cage. The right shoulder thrust. In this stance, the practitioner will practice the scoping action. The weapon hand is extended forward with the palm facing outward. To deliver the strike properly, the elbow should be kept up, puncturing the opponent's right lung. The left knee strike. In this technique, the practitioner will deliver a powerful strike to the opponent's lower leg, mainly the knee. The angle or the ankle will throw off the opponent's balance and immobilize him. By doing this, the warrior is supposed to lower his body, holding his palm upward and hit any part of the opponent's lower leg. The right knee strike. Again, like the 8th strike, the main target here is the right lower leg, which immobilizes the opponent. By doing this, the palm should face downward. The left eye thrust. The target here is the left eye socket. In order to execute it properly, the practitioner should assume fighting stance with the extend the weapon hand forward with the palm facing outward with its elbow kept down. The right eye thrust. Same as the 10 strikes technique. To execute it properly, the practitioner will have to hold his elbow down, hooking the right eye of the opponent. The strike to the crown. The last strike will be a straight downward overhead swing directed towards the crown of the head, which could throw off the opponent's mobility and balance. So let's do it again, but this time with my partner.
Remember that this is good for defending yourself towards bad people, and you can use any available materials within reach your hand.
Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod na videos. See ya! Thank you for watching!